Hey guys, it's Anna from BlackboxMyCar. Welcome to our monthly dashcam compilation. We've gathered some of the most jaw-dropping, hilarious, and heart-pounding moments captured on dashcams from all over. Find these videos by visiting our TikTok and Instagram channels. If you got some epic clips to share, be sure to do so in the link below and get yourself a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card.
Okay, so sir, obviously I stopped you for speeding.
I have no excuses.
131 and a 50. So with that speed, you're going to lose your license and you lose your vehicle. Do you have your driver's license, ownership insurance on you? You understand that's stunt driving, right? 50 zone. Whose vehicle is this?
That is my father.
Your father? Okay.
Like 10 minutes ago, I got my truck.
Okay. So unfortunately, you lost it for 30 days, right?
I have a clean record.
Not today. That's crazy speed, man. 130.
I thought the limit was like 90 here.
It's look at the signs. Everywhere up and down the street. You've just passed the school.
May I return to G2?
No, you won't. You passed your test.
No, I think I should get a retest because of this offense.
Well, they don't give you a retest. Sir, so you are being charged with operating a motor vehicle 40 kilometers or more over the limit in an under 80 kilometer hour zone, okay? Alright, so the second one is for speeding 131 kilometers an hour and posting 50, okay? I have a feeling you have learned, and I have a feeling I'm not going to see you in this capacity ever again.
I hope you never.
Okay, sir.
Thanks for joining me on this special drive. But hey, the excitement doesn't end here. You're still in time to share your epic dashcam footage with us. Don't miss the chance to earn a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. If you're a content creator, influencer, or a business interested in collaborating with us and creating something amazing together, we want to hear from you. Simply slide into our DMs on Instagram to start the conversation. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more action-packed compilations every month. Until next time, drive smart and stay vigilant. Safe travels.